Grown man shit. Welcome back, episode 2.
Woo woo. So welcome everybody to another episode of Grown Man Shit. Right? We killed the game last time. I know you guys were engaged. If you haven't seen that, then it's one of them things.
Catch up.
Yeah. Today we're going to be discussing containment. This was a word we used several times, just kind of throwing it in there. And I know somebody was like, "The hell is containment?" Right. So now we're gonna break it down and let every man know why exactly they need to clearly establish what containment looks like for them, and they're gonna also know how to develop and clarify what their containment looks like.
That's grown man shit. That's what we're here to talk about.
Grown man shit. Facts.
Any other closing thoughts, closing statements? 2 and done. It's official. We got a series going in this bitch.
Woo woo. It's a habit.
It's gonna be constantly improving. Drop the comments. Get engaged. Come back for the next one. Yeah.